Welcome to our technical video guide on pairing your IAdea devices with our remote device management software, IAdeaCare. Let's get started. First, head to your IAdea panel. Navigate through the launcher's basic settings, then to Advanced, followed by System, and finally, Remote Monitoring. Enable the Remote Monitoring option, and within moments, a pairing code will be generated for you. Now, let's proceed to IAdeaCare. On your PC, open your browser and type care.iadea.com. If you're new to IAdeaCare, click Sign Up to create an account. Then use your email and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to Devices, then Registration. Click Add New Device. Enter the device name. Select a group, input the pairing code, and click the Pair button. Once pairing is successful, you will see the status being updated to paired. Congratulations! Your device is now paired, and you'll be able to monitor and manage it remotely. It's that simple. Thank you for watching, and happy managing with IAdeaCare.